Big move up on high volume, pulls back, volume dries up, candles tighten up, pulls right back to the moving average, breaks out here, volume is high on breakout day. Makes a move here, goes sideways again. What happens? Holds this 10 quite perfectly, drops down to the 20, has a thin day. As it's going sideways, the volume here is dying out. Breaks out here on high volume, makes a decent move, pulls back to the 10. It's just over and over and over. And you can see like this is how stocks act. It's every single stock. And so same thing here. This one, gets a little bit more ugly, but the volume is slowly dying out. And then thin day here right before breakout. Breakout is on relatively high volume, although we did have a little bit of high volume on this day. Either way, still a great setup. And then you can see made that little burst right here. Oh shit, made that little burst right here for a couple of days, about a 22% move in a few days. And then what happens again? It pulls back, builds this range. You probably wouldn't be buying it here unless you're a little bit more advanced. But one thing you would notice is it makes a big move up here on increasing volume. As this goes sideways, the stock, or as this pulls back, the volume dries up. What do you see here? Candles start to tighten up. It holds the moving average. We have a thin day right here on low volume. Next day, breaks out,